This screencast is to demonstrate some of the key features within the new NCEdCloud IAM dashboard or platform. So when you log in, you will have access to view all of your applications. So here you can see my applications and you can access them in icon view, which you can see all of the icons are available here, or you can switch to list view and you see the name as well as some of the owners. Within list view and applications, you can bookmark some of your most visited NCEdCloud applications. From the list view, you can use the little flag icon next to the list in order to create a bookmark. So I just made one for Canvas LEA 390. And what that means is on the top, when I access the drop-down arrow beside applications, each user has a dashboard. When you first log in, your dashboard is empty, but once you bookmark or flag an item, you can add it to your dashboard. So you can see here Canvas from LEA 390 is available. You can add a bookmark directly from your dashboard, or you can go back to Applications. And I'll demonstrate this in icon view this time. You can go back to applications and then flag other items. So for me, I may want to flag PowerSchool Admin as well as Power Teacher as two items that I use often. So once I head back to my dashboard, those bookmark items will be there for you. So this will be helpful for you to access some of the items that you access more often and then others not so much. Please let me know if this helps.